What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a POV in the rain, bro. This is like the low-key driving this weather is obviously super sketchy. You can't like go fast, but it's fun driving in this type of weather. Definitely at high speeds, I'm not gonna be gassing it, that's for sure. But low speeds though, it's good because I can't, like, if I slip out, I'm not gonna go flying away. Alright, I'm gonna turn on my steering wheel. The reason why I have it unplugged, dude, it kills my battery when I don't have it plugged in. Or when I have it plugged in, it kills my battery. Holy moly. Bro, it does not grip at all. That's only when I'm in sport mode. When I'm in like, what is automatic place? Street? Traction? Yeah, when the traction's on street, it's actually not bad. When it's on sport, dude, it's brutal. This car is not made for the track at all. Holy. No, I'm going to auto, bro. I'm gonna have traction because when I'm on street, bro, it actually grips surprisingly decently. So when I'm on automatic, it doesn't slip. Oh, there's cops over there. Oh snap! They're just hearing me going in circles, bro. If I turn off my my exhaust though, they won't be able to hear it. See, that's OP. I love this thing. I love valves. Valves are OP, dude, I'm telling you. Now they won't be able to hear anything, bro. And it's crazy, I might be gassing it, bro. Oh. It's so scary driving in the rain with this car, dude. Look how quiet it is. That's crazy. See, it grips way better, but it doesn't send as much because it's obviously controlling the throttle. But still, dude, it's still so fun. I'm opening my exhaust now. See, it stopped me. I didn't even let go. It stopped me. That's so nice. But at high speeds though, I'm gonna tell you guys, if you ever buy a Hellcat, please chill on high speeds. Because when there's too much power in the rear wheels, bro, and once it slips, bro, it's gone. It's freaking gone. I'm probably gonna be chilling in the industrial area more because it's like just way more chill, less liability. You know, like on the main street, it's way too slippery. Here, like the ground's pretty grippy. Dude, it is pouring right now. Holy. See, that's why I love the streets. 40 miles an hour on these is nice. Oh my goodness, bro. This is so lit. Yo, low-key, track mode is actually kind of nice right now. Dude, that's not even me. That's track mode. That's me being in track mode. That's what it does. I mean, I would hope this car has something, bro. I would freaking hope so. Yo, it actually held pretty good. I'm definitely not doing that over 40 though. That is... No, I am good. I'm way good on that. I hope all you guys doing good, man. I hope all you guys grinding something. Because consistency is key. I mean, these videos are basic, right? But I'm still consistent with it. I'm proud of that. While I work really hard, like weekends, I just want to chill. I don't want to do anything, bro. I don't want to record. I don't want to do nothing. I just want to chill. So I definitely, you know, this takes not too much time, but it takes time out of the day. I'd rather just be chilling, you know. So, but the whole point is that it's just about being consistent, you know, even though it's super basic. Because imagine the time comes where I'm owning twin turbo Huracans, twin turbo SVJs. I'm still gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna create so many memories, bro. I want to look back, like when I'm 50 years old, just look back at all the times I was driving this car, enjoying myself. You know, that's freaking sick. And everyone else should do that. Just don't expect to do good on YouTube. I mean, look at my views, bro. It's been the same. The only way I'm gonna be able to go to the next level is either buying more expensive cars, but mainly I'm gonna have to be modding cars. I'm gonna have to be constantly modding, rebuilding cars. I mean, it's what makes the most sense. Actually, I'm gonna go straight. So I already know what I need to do, but the things that it's not worth it for me right now. You know, the amount of money I'm gonna lose in the process. Like right now, I'd rather just focus on what works, how I make a living, you know. But most importantly, I'm just trying to save. I need to save up a lot of money for a payroll. So I'm trying to take care of my guys first before I start blessing myself. Dude, rainy weather is, I love, in California when it rains, bro, it's so satisfying. I know you guys probably get rain because you guys are all over the US, but it's so nice. Oh, it's raining hard. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it chill, bro. I do not want to film a video and it being like, oh yeah, I slipped out. I'm not trying to crash, bro. I'm still sending it for you guys, you know? I'm still sending it. There's still ASMR, that's what matters. Track mode helped me a little bit. Yeah, this is definitely sketchy weather. You gotta be careful. I gotta close the window now. I was trying to leave the window open for like the ASMR aspect, but it is going down. What is happening over here? Oh snap. When it's CATLESS, it sounds way better. Oh yeah, dude. No, I see this car. That's what I'm saying. This car's so chill. this car, no, this car is so fun. I'm enjoying this a lot. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you guys leave a like if you're enjoying it. Appreciate all the support. Oh snap! This one's like it's a little bit more slippery over here. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it chill over here. See, this one looks way more smooth. I don't like that. Where their industrial was, it was like there's a straight up rocks, bro. It like destroys your tires. When you do anything else other than like if you like burnout, if you do burnout stuff, bro, it's brutal. Dude, imagine like a twin turbo like Huracan or SVJ right now. I would not be sending it. I would just be chilling, like this, just spooling it up to the max. Oh, I love the pops right now, dude. It's like popping different right now. I don't know. I have a feeling when I'm in track mode, it does sound a little bit different. Sport mode is way too sketchy in the rain. Like when I drive sport mode without rain, it like likes to drift. Like so it controls your drifts pretty good. But track mode is like pretty good in the rain, honestly. I'm sure street's better, but I don't know. Track's been pretty good to me. Popping it more for you guys, just know that's all me. So I was watching a video on a Ferrari 812. 812 is one of my, oh my gosh. I definitely want to get 812 one day too. That'd be blessing, bro, blessing. Meantime, just gotta keep investing. Because at the end of the day, bros, I'm trying to make enough money to live in the house, enjoy, have food for the fam. But then I also want to make enough money where I can enjoy my life. Like, you never know when your last day is, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I'm definitely trying to live it up. If I don't know when my last day is, I'm not trying to save up till I'm 50 years old. I'm sorry. I'm trying to make enough money to live in a house, have a bunch of passive income, and then buy cars. These cars are not too hard for me to afford since I work so much freaking overtime. Right now, I love it. See, Cali's so freaking beautiful, bro. I wish it rained like this more often. Oh shoot! Oh my gosh! That is so satisfying. I should have been driving with the windows down this whole time, bro. It was just pouring way crazier before. Oh my gosh, it's shifting so clean right now. Holy. outside since it's not raining too much now. It's like perfect time to actually film from the outside. I love seeing this car outside in the rain. It's so satisfying. Ooh. Dude, yeah, the car in the rain looks so clean. I still have no front plate. Last time the guy had to put a freaking zip ties, which is way better. He didn't have to drill any holes, which is so nice. So only one owner. So this car was definitely a good deal. I definitely got a good deal on this one. But I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos, man. I can't believe it's gonna be 3 years in April. So I'm very happy that my credit looks really good. So when it's time to buy something crazier, I'm gonna have more than good credit, which is a blessing, you know, such a blessing. But thank you guys for all support. Thank you guys for just sticking it through. It's crazy. You know, I hope, you know, at the end of the day, you can only help people so much. At the end of the day, bro, you always gotta grind out a blue collar. When do you find a blue collar job? You have to grind to the max. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.